Bitcoin, we start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And if you refer to my last analysis, we discussed about the losing the momentum, and this is what we get. We discussed about all these things. We don't need to go into the details. The only thing is now the question is, can we put in this drop in relative to what we have here as a running flat? The only thing is we have this one. Okay, but we don't need to care about all these things. The only thing is now the question is whether the price can break 100K or not. Okay, then whether we should wait for the next drop before we look for buy or not, we don't need to wait for that. The only thing is any opportunity for buy as a reversal at this point, for me, I will take it. Even the price is at the is not at the all-time high, because the all-time high is 108, somewhere around all-time high. Okay, but any opportunity for buy, we will take it. But still, we can be the breakout of the 100K. We can look for 88 following, sorry, we can look for 94 following by 91, then we can look for 88. All right, but as I mentioned, technically the way we can look at this one, this is how we can look. The only thing is because of what we have here, this one can turn to a more complex, but at this point for me, I will not care about what we have here, this shadow. All right, then we don't need to wait for the price to break 100K, but if there is a break, the breakout of the 100K win, we can look for the 88. What I mean and what I'm looking for, any opportunity for buy, we will take it. But if it doesn't move in our direction, we should know how to manage it. Now, if we move to forward chart, I don't see any trade setup having entry above hit desktop can be an option, but it's not a really good trade setup because we can expect the price drop. This one turn to correction, then we get this one. That's why whoever wants to look for buy from here, they should know how to manage it if it doesn't move in their direction. But as I mentioned, I'm looking for any opportunity for buy, I will take it. And if I move to 1 hour chart, similar explanation. Anyway, if we move to daily chart, we see the price broke all-time high. Now we're looking to see the breakout too, because if we refer to our analysis, since the price was within this correction, we come up with this 100K and 111. And I mentioned I want to see the breakout of this soon, then we can look for 150 and 180. That's why I mentioned the price within this range, we will have a correction, and this is what we get at this point. And if we move to weekly chart, similar explanation, we don't see anything else. And if we move to daily chart, as what I explained earlier, all right, we can expect the price consolidate here. If there is a breakout of 100K, how deep it can go, the only thing is we look for the previous low and we look for 88. But as I mentioned, any opportunity for buy will take it. But since the price is indeed in the range of all-time high, we should monitor our trade. If it doesn't move in our direction, we take out the trade, then we look for the next opportunity. This means we don't we don't keep the trade because we are at the all-time high. Okay, and even we can expect the price consolidate here, but we don't need to care about all those things. Any opportunity for buy based on 1 hour chart, I'm interested to look for trade. And if I move to 1 hour chart again, the only option is to put our entry above here.